Alright, what is up, guys? This is Caleb doing Zybook's D335 Introduction to Programming in Python. This is practice test 2, lab 13, so 30.13. The task tells you to write a Python program that performs the following steps. Prompts the user to input the name of the CSV file. Step 2 uses Python built-in CSV module to open and read the specific file. Step 3, for each row in the file, reverse order of elements, values separated by commas. Print the reverse elements for each row in the console. The requirements are you have to use the open function, use the CSV reader method to read the file of the contents, use a loop to iterate. I'll bring this over here while I explain this. Use a loop to iterate each row and reverse the elements in the row. Print the reverse elements in each row. Alright, so here we have the expected output, or if the input is input1.csv, apple, banana, orange, blah, 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 WGU, then the expected output is peach, orange, banana, apple, yeah. Just like that. So here we go. I'm going to, I already have the pre-typed stuff. So I might not be able to run it here because I'm not sure if the CSV file might be there, but I don't think it is. I think it's just for WGUs, or Zybooks has the stuff. So I don't know if this will. I don't think I'll be able to run this on here. So we're gonna go input as per usual. So we accept the input. Then we're gonna go down here with open. This is gonna be a big, or this is gonna be a smaller with statement, I should say, with open file name file underscore name r parentheses as CSV file, because we're giving it a nickname. Then we're going to go to CSV reader equals CSV dot reader, and then CSV file, just like that. And then we're going to go for row in CSV reader. Oh, it already has it. Reversed row equals row, semicolon, semicolon, -1. And then it's print reverse row. Not too crazy. Definitely memorizable, but it's just kind of a lot in that short little thing. I'll try and run it and see what happens. What did they say? Input 1.csv. Yeah. So that's not gonna work, but I'll run it over here so that way you can see it. So we will. This is the previous submit for grading, but we'll submit for grading. And double check that it works. Submission passed. 4 out of 4. As you can see, your output, expected output matches my output, and then same with this one, and same with this one. So yeah, easy peasy.